Good morning, everyone. How are you all? Okay, very good. Today we will understand one topic, questions based on pulley block system. Already you know what is pulley block system, how to approach that. Some different model questions we'll try to do here. Okay, under pulley block system. Now, please come to the question. So here I have a pulley block system in a different configurations here. Here one table is there. Okay, in this table, on this table, okay, one support is attached here. On this support, one pulley is connected. One pulley is connected, and one string is there. That string can slide over the pulley. The string can slide over the pulley, and here at the two ends of pulley, two masses are connected. One is M1, another is M2. Now, what we need to find here? Now, here question will be asked, find acceleration. Which one you have taken, M1, M2? This one you have taken? M1 or M2? This one M1 you have taken. You take M1 Norwich. You can take this one M1 Norwich. This one is your M1 and this one you take as M2. This one take as M2 Norwich. But remember, whatever you are taking M1 or M2, it depends. Result will change. Okay. So consider in this particular question you have taken M1 here. This is your what? M2. Two masses. Now find what? Now you have to find what is the acceleration. What is the acceleration of the system? Right? Find I acceleration of system or acceleration of each block. Second I tension in the string. Tension in the string. Yes or no? All of you listen carefully here. See, answer. First we'll find acceleration of the system. With which acceleration this both masses are moving or total system is moving, and tension in the string. You tell me here it is one string or double string? Only one string. That means at each and every point tension will be what? Same. And on this M2 tension will act this direction. On M1 tension will act upward direction. Yes or no? Clear. And on this pulley tension will act in this direction, and here it will be like this. And you consider this acceleration is towards right for M2, and for M1 acceleration is towards down. Yes or no? Remember that. And tension will be same, that is T I have taken. Let's first find acceleration. So I you write I. What is the acceleration here? Acceleration of the system. Acceleration of system or acceleration of each block. What is that? Listen. Do the free body diagram. Free body diagram of M1. Once you do free body diagram of M2. Listen. First I'll do M1 diagram. If M1 free body diagram I'll do, boys you tell. On M1 how many forces are acting? One force is tension, which is vertically upward. So tension is vertically upward. Yes or no? And another force is acting downward. Which what is that? That is gravity, M1G. And object is moving which direction? Downward direction. We consider downward direction. Now in this free body diagram, can you tell if you apply Newton's second law? Applying Newton's second law, what I can write? Newton's second law, what I can write? Now F net equal to Ma. So what is the net force here? Tell. What is the net force here? See, object is moving downward, M1G downward. That means M1G is greater than T. That's why this total system moving downward. See, on one object, two forces acting. One is upward, another is downward. But the total system is moving what? Downward. That means this force is greater value. Downward force greater value. That's why system moving downward. So if net force you want to find, then greater force minus smaller force. Okay. So do like this. M1G minus T equal to M1A. Now this one you give equation 1. Equation 1. Next lesson. Here a free body diagram of M2 I will do. Free body diagram of M2. Now tension is T, rightward direction. Acceleration is A, this direction. Yes or no for M2? M2 is only one force is responsible for motion. That means I can write here T equal to, if you apply Newton's second law, what I can write? T equal to what? M2A. Directly I can write T equal to M2. Only one force is responsible for motion. So total force equal to T. T equal to mass times acceleration. Clear? Okay. Now this is your tension. Now this is your equation what? Equation 2. Now here applying Newton's second law, you got this one. Newton's second law, you got this one. Now these two equations you have to solve. These two equations you solve to get acceleration. Yes or no? Now what we'll do? We'll try to solve this equation 1 and 2. How to solve? See, either you add both the equation or substitute equation 2 value in equation 1. Yes or no? T value substitute. So substitute T value in equation 1. Okay. Or you write here substitute equation 2 in equation 1. So already equation 1 you have M1G minus T equal to M1A. Now M1G minus M2A equal to what? M1A. Now M1G equal to M1A plus M2A. Now here A you take common, it will become M1 plus M2 into A. Now next lesson. Here if I write acceleration, how much I'll write? M1G by M1 plus M2. Now this is your acceleration of the system. Now next we will find tension. Okay, this is what you got, right? Yes or no? And this acceleration also I'll tell you to remember from this picture. If this picture is like this, all of you listen. Picture is like this. Here one mass is what? Hanging. So let me write this is hanging mass. Okay. And one mass is what? On the table. Now suppose this is your resting mass. What mass? Resting mass. And here this is a smooth surface. No friction is here. Smooth surface. Now the surface is smooth. Now listen. Acceleration is nothing but hanging mass. This acceleration nothing but hanging mass into G divided by addition of both the masses M1 plus M2. Yes or no? Like this you remember. Hanging mass into G divided by addition of both the masses. So like this you can remember also direct to do the numericals. Okay. And if details they ask what is acceleration, then this one you have to do. Equation 1 you find, equation 2 you find, substitute 2 in equation 1, then you get acceleration here. Yes or no? Now next find tension. All of you see here, tension, second one. Now tension in the string. Write down, tension in the string. How to find tension in the string? Now listen. Now already acceleration you got. And one equation you have already from the equation 2. Okay, from equation 2, T equal to how much tell? M2A. Now T how much I can write? M2 into M1G by what? M1 plus M2. Now T equal to how much coming? M1 M2 into G by M1 plus M2. Tension. This is a tension in the string. Are you clear or not? There is a tension in the string. Any doubt? No doubt? Direct. So that means remember tension in the string means, or you can write that one like this also. Product of the two masses divided by addition of the two masses into G. This is the tension in the string. Okay. Like this also you can write. So note it down. This one you are getting from equation 2. From equation 2 you are getting T equal to M2A. Okay. So this is what your acceleration and this is your tension. Acceleration and tension you are finding here. Okay, tension force. Tension force is nothing but product of two masses divided by addition of the mass. Okay. Now all of you listen. One numerical question listen based on this. So this acceleration, tension. Okay, for this particular system, whatever I have given, you remember that. Remember, acceleration depends how hanging mass, which is mass is hanging from that pulley, right? That mass into G. And G value 9.8 or 10 according to question you take. If nothing is mentioned, 9.8 meter by second square you take. Okay. Shall I go next? Girls, just 3 lines derivation. To solve numerical question, you remember this formula. Formula remember. Okay. Listen here. So here one system is given like this. See here. On this system, this is your pulley. Pulley is attached like this one. Now here one mass is sliding. This is 2 kg. This is 3 kg. 2 kg, 3 kg like that it is given. Okay. Yes or no? Now G value is mentioned 10 meter by second square. You take this. You take G value 10 meter by second square. Now I find acceleration. Acceleration of system and tension in the string. Same, what is answer coming? 6. Acceleration of system and tension in the string. Okay. All of you listen carefully. Acceleration of system, tension in the string. So this is your question. What will be answer? Answer, listen. See here, one mass is hanging, that is 3 kg, right? That 3 kg I will consider now what? M1. This one I will consider M2. I told hanging mass we have considered M1. So this one is M1. Hanging mass is M1. M2. Now acceleration you want to find. What is acceleration? Acceleration of system. Acceleration of system. A equal to M1 into G divided by M1 plus M. Now A equal to M1 is nothing but how much? 3. 3 into G value given 10. Okay. M1 equal to how much? Tell. 2. Sorry. M1 3. M2 2. So 3 plus 2 you do. Now A equal to how much? 30 by 5. So 6 meter by second square. This is your acceleration. Or in terms of G if you want to write, G you have to keep. Okay. If G will keep now, how much it will happen? 3 by 5 or 3G by 5. In terms of G if you want to write, it will be 3G by 5. Okay. Now second one. Tension. Tension in the string. What is the tension in the string? T equal to M1, M2, G by M1 plus M2. Now see here, M1 is 3, M2 is 2, divided by 3 plus 2 into G, right? G value 10 you can substitute, no reach. Now this is 6 by 5 G. Into 10 if you do here 6 by 5 into 10, so which is coming 12. So remember unit give Newton, N. Force unit, tension is a force actually. Tension is a force, either 12 Newton or 6 G by 5. G value I substituted 10. Okay, G value substituted 10. So in this way you have to solve these questions. Clear idea about these problems? No Rich? Yes or no? So one homework I'll give you, try that. 3 into 2 is 6 and 3 plus 2 is 5. So 6 by 5. Clear? Formula remember, answer will happen. See the picture. If you like this type of system given, and here it should be mentioned also, this is smooth surface. No friction is there. Okay, friction separately we will study. Friction, one opposing force is there now, we will study that one separately. But here without friction we are doing. Okay, next listen. Okay, listen all of you here. Question 3. What question is given here? Now here, same problem, but little different. Same but different. See here. Here, now two masses are hanging. Here M1, here M2. Okay. And here you take M3. Like this you consider. Okay. M3, M1, M2 like that. Same table is there, two masses are hanging. Okay, little do big picture, you will have idea more. Okay, little do big picture here. All of you listen, M1, M2, M3. Yes or no? M1, M2, M3. And here one table is there. All of you listen. Clear? Now you have to find here. What you have to find? Find acceleration of system. Acceleration of system. Second, tension. See here two strings are there. First string tension, let's take T, and another is T prime. So tension in the string between M1 and M3. M1 and M3. And another take tension in the string between M1 and M2. M1 and M2. So these things you have to find. These things you have to find. Listen carefully all of you. See here, acceleration of system, no problem. We can calculate. What is the acceleration of system? Now always I told, hanging mass into G divided by addition of the all masses. And here you take the acceleration value G alone. So acceleration I will directly calculate. A, hanging mass. What masses are hanging you say? Two masses are hanging. Together you consider M1, M2. M1, M2 masses are hanging. So that's why hanging mass how much? M1 plus M2. M1 plus M2 into G divided by addition of all the masses. M1 plus M2 plus M3. Now second question, listen. Tension in the string between M1 and M3. See, between M1 and M3 tension is basically T. So tension in the string tension in the string between M1 and M3, that is T. T equal to how much? Now, see here, this is your hanging mass. Hanging mass is total, I am considering total together, M1 plus M2. Hanging mass is M1 plus M2. Resting mass is M3. So I told hanging mass into resting mass. If this T you want to find, then hanging mass into resting mass divided by addition of all the masses into G. Now third one, listen. You have to find tension T prime. For T prime, no formula given. But if you apply Newton's second law, you can calculate. How to find T prime, tell? To find T prime, you need to do the free body diagram of M2. M2 free body diagram you need to do. So now write tension in the string between M1 and M2. T prime equal to how much you have to find this one. For that one, what you do? Now free body diagram of M2 you do. If you do free body diagram of M2, see here, upward is the tension T prime. Here it is M2. Downward gravitational force M2G. Okay. And we consider this is moving this left direction, right direction, this is moving downward direction. So this M2 also moving downward direction with A acceleration. Yes or no? Now here if you applying Newton's second law, what will do? F net equal to mass times acceleration. So F net is nothing but M2G minus T prime equal to M2A. Why? Because object is moving downward direction. Downward force is M2G, upward force is T prime. So as object is moving downward direction, M2G will be greater, downward force will be greater. So greater force minus smaller force is net force. So now T prime you calculate from here. A value already you know. This is the A value. You can substitute and you can get. Yes or no? Now do your calculation. Do the calculation. T prime you calculate. Now calculate here. T prime you calculate from this equation. See T prime, if I take that side, it will be M2G plus minus M2A. T prime equal to M2G minus M2A. So let's write T prime is M2G minus M2A. M2 take common, G minus A. Now M2 here. This is a T prime. Now see here what is G? G you keep G. Minus A value check. What is A value? M1 plus M2 into G. By M1 plus M2 plus M3. Right here. A is M1 plus M2 into G divided by M1 plus M2 plus M3. Now what you do? G also take common. It will be 1 minus M1 plus M2 by M1 plus M2 plus M3. Now what will happen, you see all of you? LCM you have to take here. You take LCM. LCM take M1 plus M2 plus M3. Add here M1 plus M2 plus M3 minus M1 minus M2. Now see here M1 and M2 getting cancelled. Yes or no? M1 and M2 getting cancelled. Now what will happen? Now listen, M3 only will be pending here. M3. So M3, I can write M2 into M3 into G divided by M1 plus M2 plus M3. Ma, did you get this one? So if any question asked like this type of system, pulley block table systems, you can approach with Newton's second law. Yes or no? Equation right, solve the equation, get the answer. That's it. You check this page, you wrote correctly everything? No doubt? Okay. So M2 and M3 too. Keep this one, if any question is given like this, either you use Newton's second law and derive there and calculate the things, or you remember the formula. Okay. But some basic things you should know how to do that. So basically Newton's second law only I am doing, and free body diagram is helping me to calculate this much. Okay. So practice well. No doubt. Did you understand? Sarmila, is it clear to you? Okay. Boys, no doubt. Okay. Thank you. If you understand, like and subscribe. Vidya Lakshmi, NEET Academy YouTube channel. All the very best.